Here we have an interesting problem. McDowell hamburger even, sorry not McDonald's, don't want to get sued, offers hamburgers with sauce, onion, egg, salad or cheese as extras. This is a combinations problem, okay, because if you have sauce and onion, it's the same as onion and sauce in a burger. It's still going to taste the same. So we need to work out the combinations, not the permutations that are on offer here. Now, if we use all five, there's obviously only one way we can use all five. We use all five. So there's one way of doing that. Now, if we only use 4 of the toppings, then if we think about them being, call them numbers just to make it quicker. So topping 1, topping 2, topping 3, topping 4, topping 5. Then to get 4 of them, we only need to leave one of them out. That leaves the other 4. Now, obviously, you could leave that one out, like I just did. You can leave this one out. You can leave number 3 out, or you could leave number 4 out, or 5 out. So there's 5 ways of getting 4. Okay, there's only 5 ways of leaving one of them out. So there's 5 ways of doing this. Now let's go to use 3 of the toppings. Now let's put them in order. We're going to have to use a little bit of thinking caps here because it's going to be harder. We could write them all out, or this method's not going to quite work as easily. So let's say we're going to use 3 of them. Now previously we worked out, if we weren't worried about what order they came in, we could find out, put 5 in the first we can choose the first thing to go on out of 5 things, and once we put it on we can choose out of 4 things, and we can choose out of 3, and that gives us 60 ways. But as we said earlier, onion egg salad is the same as egg onion salad. Yeah, it's not going to taste much different. You know, you can only have those 3 toppings. Now we worked out previously there was 3 times 2 times 1 ways we could arrange 3 different things in 3 positions, and that gives us 6 ways of doing that. Now these are all repeats, so out of these 60, okay, every time we have a different permutation, there's going to be 6 repeats, so we will have 6 times less things. So we've got 60 ways of arranging all of these. We've got 6 ways of arranging the repeats. So therefore, the number of ways we're going to do this is going to be 60 divided by 6 number of ways. So the number of ways we can use 3 is 60 divided by 6, because we're going to have, for every time we've got a different set, we've got 6 repeats. So we have to divide that out to see how many unique combinations we have, and that will give us 10 ways. Let's look at using 2. So we position them 1, 2, there is 5 times 4 ways that can be done, which gives us 20. Now if we got onion egg, we got or egg onion, so there's obviously 2 ways those can be arranged, which actually gives us the same burger. So what we're going to do here, we're going to divide by 2 to get our number of ways. So using 2 we have 10 ways as well. We do 20 divided by 2. Now if we just use 1, we can obviously see we can choose for any of the 5 things, so there's going to be 5 ways of choosing 1. And using none of them, well, there's only going to be 1 way we can do that. No plural there. Only 1 way of doing that, because there's only the burger and nothing else. So in total, let's have a look. Let's just circle all the ones we found. So we found 1 way for all 5. For using 4 we found 5 ways. For using 3 we found 10 ways. For using 2 we found 10 ways. 5 ways and 5 ways. So let's add those up. So we get 1 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1, and that gives us 32 ways. Let's just check that. 10 is 20 plus 5 plus 5 is 30, gives us 32 ways of ordering our hamburger.